Hi, my name is Yuriy Kolesnichenko. I'm a sonologist from Moscow, Russia, and this is a lecture about thyroid ultrasound. We obtain transverse and longitudinal views for each lobe and measure three diameters for each lobe for volume calculation, width, height and thickness. Then we calculate volume of each lobe by ellipse formula and sum these volumes into thyroid volume. As a rule, for thyroid ultrasound, used high-frequency linear transducers, and only in case of large thyroid gland we use a convex transducers. Ellipse formula use coefficient 0.523, but someone recommend to use coefficient 0.479. Also, we use a color flow mode to analyze the blood flow in the thyroid. And that's all. Thanks for your attention.